Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Tell your sisters about the picnic.
Okay, I think it is going to get hot later today.
That's good. It will be a good day for a swim in the lake.
I'll tell Cindy and Allison to wear their swimsuits.
Don't forget to pack your life jackets, too.
Okay, will Andy be joining us?
Of course your brother will be joining us. Where is he?
He's taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
You can wake him up. I'll get my sisters.
Andy, wake up. We're going to the lake.